In this video, I will teach you how to create shift management in AppSheet. First, go to appsheet.com, and if you don't have an account yet, you just have to click on Get Started to sign up using your Google account. But if you already have one, you just have to click on Sign In to log in using your credentials. Next, you just have to go to the sheets.google.com or Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. You can name it Shift Management, which is I made right here, and add column headers like employee name, date, shift start, shift end, and role. Now you just have to go back to the app sheet and make a new app. To do that, all you have to do is to click on this plus button right here, the create button, and click on app. Click on start with existing data and name your app right here. Let's say shift right here and click on the category. Then choose your data and click on Google Sheets as your source. You have to select the Google Sheet that you just created. Let's say right here and select on that. Now AppSheet will generate a basic app from that spreadsheet. Now to make it user friendly, you just have to go right here on your app. 왜 아이템가 없어? Right here. Name is okay for that. Then go to the Views section, which is right here, and click on Views. And make sure that you change the name from Shift Management to Shift Schedule. Right here. AppSheet automatically adds a form view. You can now test it by clicking the plus button in the app. And add a sample shift entry with name, date, time, and role. The entry will be saved directly to your Google Sheets once they have entered it. And that's how you create a simple shift management system in AppSheet. That's all there is today. Hope we helped.